When it comes to ensuring the safety and security of your home, one of the most important yet often overlooked factors is the quality and installation of your doors. While many homeowners may think that purchasing a high-quality door is enough, the truth is that even the best door won't provide full protection if it's not installed properly. In Birmingham, where both urban and suburban homes face diverse security challenges, choosing professional door installation is critical for protecting your property and loved ones. Expertise and precision. Professional door installers bring years of experience to the job, which translates into precise measurements and perfect installation. A door that isn't fitted properly can leave gaps or be misaligned, making it easier for intruders to break in. Even a seemingly small mistake in installation can compromise the door's security features, such as locks and hinges. Expert installers ensure that your door is perfectly aligned with the frame, that seals are properly installed, and that all hardware functions as intended, enhancing your home's security. High-quality materials and products. When you choose a professional service for door installation in Birmingham, you're not just getting installation expertise, you're also gaining access to premium materials and high-quality doors. While DIY installations may tempt some to opt for lower-cost options, professional companies work with durable, secure materials designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily life as well as attempted break-ins. From solid core doors to reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems, professional installers have access to the best products that will provide added security. Proper installation of high-security features. Modern doors often come with additional security features like smart locks, deadbolts, or video doorbells, which can significantly enhance the safety of your home. However, these features need to be installed correctly to function properly. A professional installation ensures that locks are installed at the correct height, hinges are securely fixed, and electronic components are integrated without wiring issues or malfunctions. Incorrect installation can lead to a security lapse, rendering your advanced features useless. Compliance with local building codes. In Birmingham, just like in other areas, there are building codes and regulations that must be followed when installing doors. These codes are in place not only to maintain the aesthetic quality of homes but also to ensure the safety and security of residents. Professional installers are well versed in these regulations and ensure that your installation complies with all local building codes. This is especially important if you're upgrading or replacing doors as part of a larger renovation project, as non-compliance could lead to legal issues or voided insurance policies. Enhanced durability and longevity. Proper door installation isn't just about security, it's also about long-term durability. A professionally installed door will typically last longer than one that's installed incorrectly or with substandard materials. Over time, poor installation can cause the door to warp, become difficult to open or close, or suffer from structural weaknesses. By opting for professional installation, you're investing in the longevity of your door, which will continue to provide excellent protection for years to come. Peace of mind. perhaps the greatest benefit of professional door installation is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing that your door has been expertly fitted, with all necessary security features installed correctly, allows you to rest easy. You'll have confidence that your home is well protected, not just from intruders, but from the elements and wear that could compromise its integrity over time. Cost effectiveness in the long run. Although professional door installation may seem like a more significant initial investment compared to DIY options, it can save you money in the long term. Proper installation ensures that your door and security features function as designed, reducing the likelihood of costly repairs or replacements down the road. Additionally, it helps protect against potential burglary and property damage, which could result in significant financial loss. Conclusion: when it comes to securing your home, choosing professional door installation in Birmingham is more than just a convenience. It's a crucial step in ensuring the safety of your property and loved ones. The expertise, high-quality materials, and adherence to security best practices that professional installers provide can make all the difference in protecting your home from break-ins and other threats. With the right installation, your doors will not only look great but also serve as a strong, secure barrier against any potential risks. Don't leave your home's security to chance. Trust the experts to do the job right.